Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you this Barbie Extra number 18. I have wanted for a long time because she has like light purple hair. I have been looking for this doll for a while for a good price, and I found it in Finland and Prisma, Finland. And there are some details I really like. I really like that these stockings in the shoes. I think it's like really cute detail, like this white pumps. And oh, sorry, it's my dog. I had to go check on him. So well, he's here. She is really pretty. I really look forward to this one. Okay, I have heard that they had discontinued these Barbie series, like Barbie Extra Barbie series, and I found that it's sad because I really like these. They're colorful and pretty, and I really like them. So, pair of glasses. They are, well, they're not see-through, so but it's nice. It's for the and the pads. What does it say? Say 15 styling pieces. Okay. To be honest, they could have put like panties on her, because this is like, it almost feels like inappropriate. Look, it's like, oh, they could have put like a short tights. Hey, look, it's like short tights or something, because it's like, well, I know it's just a doll, but come on. Could have put on her some panties. I have panties I can put on her, but no. The girl needs panties. The girl needs panties. I really do like the socks and the shoes. It's a really nice combination, and the feet doesn't look like really small. They look like kind of big feet, which is nice because she's like the curvy Barbie. So she's still thin, but you know, it's Barbie. So. Okay. I really don't want to cut the hair, but I really This. This. Nej. Okej, nej, inte. Okay. lookies, 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 lookies. Okay, so now I have finally unboxed her, and except from my complaint that she doesn't have any panties, she's really cute. She's really beautiful. I really like the body shape. I think they are better off with the curvy ones now. In the beginning they were more like well, they were only like the stiff ones. They weren't too jointed, but I think the curvy Barbies are like much prettier now than in the beginning. I'm not sure if like it's just because I'm used to it, but like this one, because I'm not a thin girl anymore, so I kind of feel like this is like a bit. I can feel home with this one. I think that's great actually. What? It fell off. Is it sewn on? No, it's like a. Oh, it's a rubber band. Look, it's like a rubber band around her waist. Like a rubber bands everywhere on the clothes. The hair is beautiful. It really is. It's really nice. It's long. It's like this. What I really like with these Barbie extras, they have this almost like My Little Pony kind of hair, like My Little Ponies from the 80s, like the new retro ponies, if you have seen that. I really like the jacket. It's like, because it's like a big jacket. It's not like a small, tiny, short to have with mini skirt. It's a cute jacket, and it's actually a zipper. It seems like it's actually a zipper, and that's cool. That's cool. It's actually. I will try it. Will the zipper work? I'll try it. Will the zipper work? And it works. The zipper works. That is great. That is great. I thought it would be like a cheaper fake zipper. I did not even believe at all it would be a real zipper. So that is really good. It's great. It's a real zipper. It's a real hood. That is great. I'm impressed about the zipper. It's cool. It's cool that the zipper is a real zipper. It's a plastic zipper. I haven't seen many plastic zippers in my life actually, but this is it's cool. It's cool. Three kind of necklaces, the same earrings as some of the others. I'll try to get her some panties that fits, because or like some biker pants or something, because I am impressed with the shoes, and this is a cool combination. It really is, and I like this. It's cool. It's cool. And the knees are so much prettier than the first Made to Move curvy Barbie dolls. Did not have pretty knees at all. They were like really ugly. So this is a much better solution. It's not as movable. It's not made to move as much, but it is pretty, and it works really well. At first I didn't think I would like the light brows, but it looks good. Okay, and the handbag, does it open? It does not open. I don't know why they did that. That the handbags sometimes it won't open, and they should have saved money on the packaging instead, and just put it in a simple package, because they are too hard to open. Nice glasses. It's like Barbie can have, they're a little bit too big for her, but for the pets it's cute. Barbie can have them, or the pets can have them, or glasses are really like this. I love the hair. It's really pretty, and these glasses are so cute. It's cute. Cute. And this is a small. It's not a skateboard for Barbie. It's like for the like a breakfast tray. Maybe it's like eggs on it, toast. I'm not sure. Maybe skateboard, like maybe surfing board for the dog. I'm not sure. I think it's like tray or something. I think it's like a tray or something, but it's cute. It's cute. It's really, so it's Malibu. It's a fried egg, and it's toast, and it's like palm trees, and it's cute. And Born to Lead. Wow, it's like, look, it's got, look here, this is cute. It's got like sleeves are glittery like this. I did not know that. Wow, and it's really nice. The sleeves are really nice. It's Born to Lead, Barbie, be the boss. It's like girl power all over. It's not. It's a really nice. It was much nicer than I thought. I thought it would be like I'd say like a simple, like what you see, what you don't see, you don't get kind of thing. Because I thought it would be lesser quality. Actually. So I went to get this one. It's my another Barbie Extra. I have unboxed in another video, and she has like these. So they would look like really good because it's like black. It's like so. And look, her shoes are also like unbelievable. I did another video on this doll once. And really to change the clothes with these, like, wow, it would also fit like so cool with this top, with her hair, really pretty, really like that. So they are really cool, and they're both like the bigger girls of Barbie, curvy Barbie, and so it's cool. I also got another Barbie. I will show it to you. I also got this one at the same time. I think she's also curvy. I think. I'm not yep, looks like it. It's like Barbie Extra Fancy. They were on like a big toy sale. That's why I got these ones, because these were really too expensive before. I want that one still. I'm not sure about this one, if it's a sale or so. But this one was, I really want this one because she is so pretty. Her hair is like a mermaid. I will show this one later. These are all the curvy ones. She has like tights on all the way. That's great. Okay. So this well, I really like this Barbie doll. She's really pretty. She feels like I can see myself in her, but she's much prettier than I am. But still, with the lilac hair, be curvy. Curvy is maybe not the right word for me, but still, and pets and all cute stuff. I really like her. Okay, so hope you like the video. Like, subscribe if you want to. It would help us a lot. And thank you so much for watching my unboxing video, the Barbie Extra number 18. Is that number 18? Yes, it's number 18. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.